Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. All right, you guys, I am so excited because I have got a Dollar Tree haul for you today, and we are going to be showcasing some stuff that is from a brand new Dollar Tree. So I am currently in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and I went to a suburb, I believe it's called Findlay or Fidley, something like that. Please correct me in the comments below if you know where the heck I am. And I went to this brand new Dollar Tree that opened in January, and it was great. I had a lot of really good stuff in there. So I'm going to share with you the haul, and I'm going to share with you the stuff that I bought, and then I'm going to attempt to put it in that suitcase, and whatever I can't put in the suitcase, I am going to ship back because the staff at the Dollar Tree, they were unpacking some stuff and putting it out on the shelves, and I was able to take one of the boxes with me. So I do have a way to ship some of this home, and you know me, I'm not going to pass up a good Dollar Tree. So let's get into it. Now, Nautical is going to be huge at Dollar Tree, and when I went into the store, they had some incredible signs and just different things, and they had these kind of laser cut signs that had all these great designs already in them. Look at that one, this navy, hello, in this cool anchor cutout, which I thought was super, super cool. Again, $1.25. I'm telling you, when I walked into this store, everything was stocked, everything was put away, everything was clean. Like, it was literally like walking into a Kirkland's or a Hobby Lobby. Like, it was crazy how clean and how awesome it was. This is another one that I grabbed with this adorable seahorse cutout. My sister has a lot of nautical stuff in her bathroom, and she has mermaids and stuff in her bathroom, and I thought that she might like some of this stuff. So honestly, some of this I just hauled for her. And then how cute is this little red sailboat? Super, super cute. I think you can make welcome signs if you have a Cricut, or if you can free paint, or if you have those Dollar Tree stickers that kind of the larger letters. You could put welcome on this, you could put home on this. There's all kinds of really cool things that you could do with those. So they also had one more, I believe it was a starfish, and it was kind of like a seafoam green color, and I thought it was cute, but it wasn't something that I wanted to go ahead and grab. So here are some more fun things that I found also in that nautical kind of family. How cute are these little DIY pins? I freaking loved those. And I've seen these kind of fish in all kinds of nautical DIYs. When you paint them up in like red and navy and white, they can be so fun. I thought that they would be great to make like a garland or something. You know, I love a garland. And also what's really cool about them is that they're on those little mini paper or clothespins. So you've got a way to kind of be able to stick them to stuff if you didn't want to make a garland with them. So many cute things, and I did grab several packages of those. Another thing that they had, I'm just going to pull out this nautical stuff. Cute castle cutout. I thought that honestly, if you put Mod Podge on top of this and you put some Dollar Tree sand on it, it could be a very cute sign. You could make your own sandcastle and do some really fun things with some of these fish or some of these other things that I grabbed. Now, my sister, as I mentioned to you guys, is a huge mermaid fan, and her guest bathroom has nothing but mermaids in it, and she's hand cut. Look how gorgeous that is, and look at the shell detail, look at all the body detail. Y'all, this was $1.25. This is crazy. And then they also had this one, which I know she's gonna love. And also it has that shell detail on it. It like reminds me of Ariel, like from The Little Mermaid. And again, how cute is this one? I really thought that this one was super, super adorable. Let's see what else is in here, because there's bags are mixed up everywhere. So we're gonna be jumping around a little bit. Now, you know, I miss my little buddy Otis because I've been on the road. I've been traveling now for 2 weeks, and I bought him 2 different cat toys. This is one of the 2 that I bought him, but how cute is this? It's like, looks like a little, like a peach or like a ball or something, but then it's got a suction cup on the bottom of it, and then it's on this kind of spring thing. By the way, my arm is getting a lot stronger. I'm in this for 3 more weeks, and then I'm going into a cast, unfortunately, to kind of help with the bottom part of the bone. It's the part between the elbow and the wrist here. But yeah, so about 6 more weeks, and that's my left arm in case some of you were wondering. So yeah, back to the toys. Cute little cat toys. Got that little ball on it. I'm hoping that this suction cup works good. I don't know how it's gonna stick, like on the door or anything. Maybe on the side of the tub. Not inside the tub, but on the outside of the tub. So we're gonna see. We're gonna play around with it. And either way, he'll love playing with this thing. And I may even honestly just glue it on top of like his cat tower or cat condo or something. So again, we're going to be all over the board here. They have these cute patches, these kind of iridescent patches that, you know, if you have a hole in your jeans and you want to pop it with something fun, like I thought that could be really cute. Even if you had a hole in your jeans, kind of cut this patch to be that kind of splash and then get like a shark patch or something fun. That could be super fun. It kind of goes with the whole nautical theme here that we've got going on. These are some rub-on transfers that I thought could be really cool for a lot of different projects. And there's even some inspirational projects that are on the back there. And I think it was Crafts by Caitlin. She had some of these that she was using in some of her DIYs. And it kind of creates a nice little border, especially if you don't have a cutting machine or anything like that. You can use something like that to really create some fun projects. These I'm obsessed with. I have these in my kitchen. I label all kinds of containers with them. They're chalkboard stickers. They come in different sizes and you can just write on there what they are. And I've got new containers since getting the previous ones, so I'm going to use those. My business travels for this leg are almost over. I'm in Minneapolis right now. Then I go to San Francisco, and then I'm home for a week, and then I'm traveling again. I go to Houston and I go to Sacramento, and I wanted to get some smaller kind of travel size deodorant products. So I grabbed that while I was there because I do love this shampoo, this Suave Rosemary Mint. If you're familiar with Aveda's, they have a product called Rosemary Mint, and it is incredible. And Suave has a great dupe of that shampoo, and now they also have a deodorant. So I figured, why not? Now, I have another set of these, but in the Crafter Square section, they had, oh wait, here it is. Look. So they have sewing needles and a nice, big, generous set. It's kind of hard to see with the reflection you're getting from the window there. But as you can see, lots of really good sewing needles. And then these are larger, like embroidery needles. And these are fantastic to use whenever you're making garland, especially beaded garland. If you take a twine and you put it through the larger embroidery needle and you use that to create your garland with, it makes threading the beads so much easier. And again, that was something that was only $1.25. All right, I can see we've got some other nautical stuff coming up. They have these great kind of corkboard signs. They had 2 different ones. I just bought the one with the coral on it. And again, I love this tag. I love the fact that it's tag shaped. I love the fact that it's unfinished wood because you can create so much with it. I even think it'd be really cute to just paint this board all around it, keep this exactly as it is, and maybe make it a bright blue like that other blue sign. And I mean, it would be perfect for my house. So again, super fun. They also had these bamboo rings that they're kind of like the embroidery hoops. And they're not embroidery hoops, but I bought a 2-piece set, and I bought 2 of them because I thought that they could be fun for a DIY project of some kind, and maybe even another one-handed DIY series, depending on how much longer this is going to be. And then, of course, you know that I was going to buy socks because I always buy socks, and they had these great native nomad socks, which are super nice. And they had the original price on one of them. These are by Gold Toe, and I think these were $8. This one, for some reason, doesn't have the price on it. There was a previous pair, but it's 2 pairs, so you get that kind of gray striped, and then you also get this blue and gray stripe, which I thought were super nice, and they're thick, which I also love. And especially now with my ankle. I am wearing a thicker sock to help kind of protect it. My ankle has been killing me, you guys, by the way, so I hope I haven't done anything worse to it with all this work travel, but that's another story. I go to the doctor on the 19th for an update on that, so more to come there. But and then this package also is Gold Toe Native Nomad, once again by Gold Toe, and it had this great gray pair with the red, and then it had this great gray pair with the kind of light blue on there. And of course, you know, the minute I saw the light blue, I had to grab it. And this scrubby is great. Look at that. It's got this handle. It's got this great kind of very stiff, kind of almost like a Brillo pad consistency. And I thought that could be really great to use. There was some super cute ribbon that they had at this particular store that I had not seen yet. And it says, "Welcome home." And it's kind of that great gray color, which goes so good with a lot of kind of modern farmhouse stuff. I had bought one of these before and I lost it. I don't know what I did with it. And I bought another one because I saw them while I was there. More nautical stuff. Told you that my bags were a little discombobulated here. They had some really cute twine balls, and that blue and kind of khaki color, and then also this red and khaki color is perfect for that kind of nautical vibe. They also had some amazing wood cutouts, and I have more in some of my other bags here. But these seahorses, how cute are those? So cute. Absolutely love those. Thought that they were adorable. And then they had some fun iron-ons, and or this is a rub-on transfer. I'm sorry, I thought it was an iron-on when I bought it. I saw on and just didn't see the word rub. But it's cool to be kind today, which I think is also very fun. And you can rub those on to picture frames. I've done those before on my channel, so there's a lot of really fun things. And of course, remember, if you have a receipt, scan that into Fetch Rewards, and you'll earn points that you can then redeem for all kinds of fun gift cards and things. If you're not familiar with Fetch Rewards, there is a link below. And when you sign up, you'll get 2,000 bonus points just for using my code. So check that out. And now we're back to some nautical things. We've got 2 more bags, and so many cute nautical things. Oh my gosh. They had these. I'm trying to find the second one. Trying to be a little more organized here for you guys. They had the cutest little pillows, and I think they're like, I think that they could be really cute for your doorknobs. Like, how cute is that? Just a little tiny little pillow. And then they had a darker navy one, again, with those great coral, although I think that looks like broccoli. But super cute pillows, and even if you use them for something else, you know, you use the stuffing, again, super cute. That still looks like broccoli to me, but, or maybe like broccolini or something. But anyway, super cute. They had these in a couple different patterns, a couple different styles. I only bought those. They also had some really cute, so I told you I was obsessed with the fish, and I bought lots of those. I bought 3 packages of those. They had some really cute signs. They had the sand and me. The whale at the top was what did it for me. I thought that that was just so cute, and you could easily cut these apart if you needed to and make them into other things. I'm probably gonna take the whale off and use him for something else. And then they had this one that says, "Take me to the ocean," with the sun on the top, which I thought was also super cute. They had some of these great wood cutouts. They had turtles, which I thought were super cute. They also had dolphins, which I thought were super cute. The other things that I grabbed that were from the nautical kind of area, turtles, how cute would those be with those seahorses that I had from the previous, you know, when I showed those just a few minutes ago. Super cute. And then this design I thought was everything. They had another version of this one, but I only needed this one. How cute is that? The arrow, or the anchor at the end of it is raised, and then you've got this kind of scroll looking sign, you know, like it was maybe in a bottle or something. You could do some really fun stuff with that. I thought that that was amazing. About some markers so I can label my box when I'm shipping things back. A really cute scarf. I have a great bicycle wood cutout that I think I want to try and incorporate into a wreath. And I thought that could be a fun ribbon that could be fun also. I have so many good ideas, and until I'm out of this sling, I don't know how I'm gonna execute them, but just know that I'm thinking, I'm trying to figure out a way. But again, super, super cute scarf, and thought that that could be fun as a ribbon or something. I've also bought some packing tape just in case the hotel didn't have any, or they tried to charge me, you know, $300 to ship it back or something, because you know how hotels will overprice things sometimes. And then I've got one more bag, and there's about 5 or 6 items in here. I'm just gonna grab them all out and put them in my lap here. And this is some additional ribbon that I thought was super, super cute. It says home there, and then this is the other cat toy I told you about that I got for Otis. A little mouse on it, and then on the spring, and then the suction cup. And by the way, my friend Donna is taking care of Otis for me. She lives in the same neighborhood, and she goes in and checks on him every other day, and he's doing great. I definitely miss him. Anchors, how cute are those with those cutouts? And then there were also these great signs, and I bought 2 of them. These great like house-shaped signs with this white, and it's like a black and white board. Like it's a not a black and white board. It says black and white board on the back though, but it's like a dry erase board. But again, super, super cute. Loved these. Thought that you could do some really fun stuff with that. Even if you covered up that dry erase board, you could totally do something with that. Then they had this cute kind of home cutout sign that again, I thought could be super fun to use and to do. And then lastly, I bought some great cookbooks. They have these little tiny cookbooks, which I always love grabbing when I'm there. They're so fun to put in like a gift basket or something. They had this one that was on grilling, which I'll probably use because I would like to learn how to grill. I actually don't know how to grill. And then there was a slow cooker cookbook as well that I thought was fun, and I love to slow cook, and especially now, this is so much easier for me to do. And then a Southern cookbook, Southern flavorings in Minneapolis. So thought that that was super cute and had to get that. And of course there were all kinds of yumminess in here, shrimp and grits, and macaroni and cheese, red beans and rice, and just kind of fun stuff like that. So that is my haul. So hopefully you enjoyed this and you are sticking with me. It is very early in the morning here. I'm trying to stay on East Coast time as much as possible. I have to log in and get some work done, and then I have an event tonight, and then I have a very early, like ungodly early flight out tomorrow to San Francisco. I probably will stay away from Dollar Tree when I go to San Francisco, unless I can pack all this in that suitcase, and then who knows? But anyway, that is my shopping haul for right now from Minneapolis. Again, the store that I went to was in, I think it's called Findlay, Minnesota. It's just right outside of Minneapolis. I'm staying in downtown Minneapolis, right next to the Target field. And they have this Target store that is fairly new, and this Dollar Tree store, and it only took like maybe 20 minutes to get out there. So check it out if you're in the area. All right, guys, take care, and I will see you soon. All right, bye-bye.